Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cryptomator for free step-by-step. Cryptomator is a free and open-source encryption tool for desktop computers that lets you protect your files before storing them in cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or even on a local drive. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Cryptomator website. Download the version for your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, then install it by following the on-screen instructions. Next, launch Cryptomator and click Create New Vault. Choose where you want to save the vault. You can place it inside a cloud storage folder or anywhere on your computer. Give the vault a name and continue with the setup. Now, create a strong password for your vault. This password protects all of your encrypted files, so make sure it's unique and stored in a safe place. Cryptomator cannot recover a forgotten vault password, so keeping it secure is very important. After the vault is created, click Unlock and enter your password. Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder. You can now drag and drop files into the unlocked vault or save files directly from your applications. Every file you place inside is automatically encrypted in the background. When you're finished working, save any open files and click Lock Vault to secure your data again. If you're storing the vault in a cloud service, wait until synchronization is complete before shutting down your computer or accessing the vault from another device. And that's it. You now know how to use Cryptomator for free to encrypt, store, and protect your files while maintaining full control of your privacy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next